In Bengali we say off stump-এর বাইরের বল ছেড়ে দেওয়া.
No, you can hit 4 also. So every time you don't have to leave like Sunil Gavaskar. Sometimes you become a Virender Sehwag and if he want to kiss you so hard you don't know what to do. To control Ranveer Singh, I think I had so many cricketers like that.
আপনি সবসময় ফরওয়ার্ড মুভিং, ইউ অলসো অলওয়েজ লুকড অ্যাট নিউয়ার ফ্রেশার ফ্রন্টিয়ার্স। এখনই যে পিছন ফিরে যাচ্ছেন 83-তে, ইজ ইট নিউ কপিল দেব যে আবার পিছন ফিরে ডিসকভার করছে পুরনো জিনিসকে, পুরনো ভালো লাগা?
ये तो मैं कह सकता हूँ, yes, definitely. What I was in 1983 and now it's two different people because a growth take place and I can say I like to be the same person but no, it's impossible. I change, things change, our life changed after 83, so I can't say we are just the same.
You never looked back, you always moved forward. But ये जो एक्सपीरियंस है कि आप पीछे मुड़ के देख रहे हो बार बार आपने पीछे क्या किया जो आपने कभी करता नहीं, इसका एक्सपीरियंस क्या है, किरम लागছে?
I don't know. Once I see the movie, like people will see the movie on 24th, then we'll come to know. Yes, it's sometime you talk about your school days, it's wonderful. Sometime when you play for the country, you go back and you start talking. You feel when within your team you're watching, you can talk a lot of stories which we never said to anybody or we try to keep it very close. But you know, it's I can just imagine it will be a great moment after seeing the movie how much fun this team is going to do it.
ওই টিমে অনেকগুলো বদমাইশ ছিল. How did you keep them in check as a captain?
It's just keep it calm, you know. As somebody said to me, very young age when I was captain, he said, if you want to be successful, keep your eyes and ears open. So my balance of life is I keep my eyes and ears open what's happening around in this room and otherwise also.
संदीप पाटिल ने एक क्वेश्चन दिया, उसने बोला कि प्लीज आस्क कपिल देव कि ये throughout the World Cup at the team meetings, why did he insist on speaking in English?
No, I think he's imagining. And second, what I can say that these people don't understand any other language. And I remember it's very clearly in my head, the first time in the history of Indian cricket, I was the one who started talking in Hindi in the dressing room. It's a very much English game, but I come from a village, वहाँ पर English नहीं बोलते थे. So, you know, it's नया जिसका शादी होता है ना, वो you only talk about that. So मैं नया English सीख रहा था तो मेरे को और कुछ आता ही नहीं था. मेरे को सबको बोलना था कि मैं you know, आपके साथ मैनेज कर सकता हूँ, जो नहीं कर पाया.
এটা কি is it true যে সন্দীপ পাটিল থাকলে বলবিন্দর সিং সন্তুকে আপনার ইনস্ট্রাকশন ছিল don't bowl in swinger if he is standing at deep fine leg and if he is deep third man don't bowl out swinger. He was a terrible fielder, I could not hide him.
No, it's not. I think everybody can't be the same level, but these are the stories and storytellers are the most beautiful people. I don't think so. I can think that he don't bowl because he's standing there, because you have to believe within everybody. But जब stories बनती है तो ऐसे ही बनती है कि आपने बोला, किसी ने बोला होगा,
उसने खुद बोला,
हाँ तो बोला होगा. अब इतनी चीज़ें स्टोरी टेलर कैसे बताता है वो उसके ऊपर है. मुझे इतना याद है कि मैंने कभी ये नहीं बोल सकता कि यार उधर बॉल नहीं करना बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. हाँ, ये ज़रूर कह सकते हैं कि थोड़ा सा इधर ही रखना, उस लाइन पे थोड़ा सा अपना फील्डर थोड़ा कमज़ोर है. ये नहीं सोच सकते कि यार उसमें एबिलिटी नहीं है, टैलेंट नहीं है. आई डोंट थिंक सो. मैंने ऐसा कभी सोचा, बट ये स्टोरी जानकर अच्छा लगा.
और एक स्टोरी भाई ये तो सच ही है कि when you returned at the dressing room during your Zimbabwe knock, सारे भाग गए वो डाइनिंग हॉल की तरफ, एक ग्लास पानी छोड़ के चले गए. ये तो सच है.
हाँ, ये सच है. और क्योंकि जब आप खेल रहे हो तो इतना गुस्सा आ रहा था उस समय कि ये क्या हुआ. जब मैं लंच पे बैटिंग करके वापस आ रहा था तो इतना बड़ा हॉल था जितना ये है, और हॉल बिल्कुल खाली था, कोई भी नहीं था. पानी रखा हुआ था मेरे टेबल के पास में, ऐसे चेयर और ऑरेंज जूस, और सब भाग गए. So I think till today, I can say, I don't know how they are showing that, but I respect my team, the senior players. They understood कि अपना कप्तान थोड़ा सा पागल टाइप का है, गुस्सा करेगा, he's batting, his का concentration lose हो जाएगा, तो वो सब चले गए. कोई होगा नहीं तो किसको कुछ बोलोगे. तो आई थिंक वो सब चले गए एंड इट वाज अ वेरी ग्रेट मूव, अ वेरी सेंसिबल मूव. इवन मोहिंदर अमरनाथ और सुनील गावस्कर और यू नो एनीबडी वाज देयर एट दैट टाइम. दे वर द किरमानी वाज देयर सीनियर मोस्ट एंड आई थिंक आई पर्सनली फील मे बी सुनील गावस्कर और मोहिंदर अमरनाथ कैन थिंक लाइक दैट.
I think every Indian cricket lover should go to Tunbridge Wells to understand the magnitude of that knock. इतना ground का जो है, ground का challenges, it's not a covered ground, wind blowing all the time. And I interviewed some people who watched that match and said 3 slips and gully, ball was swinging so much. How could he hit sixes like that? One landed in the tennis court, one broke glass walls in the pavilion, one outside car. So did the car owner take money from you or what?
अभी तक नहीं लिया. अब कबीर के पास आए होंगे ये शूट कर रहे हैं.
They came to me and said he broke my windshield. But जिन्होंने ये बोला था उन्होंने भी मुझे बहुत सारी फिर कहानियाँ सुनाई कि क्या उस दिन को हो रहा था. बिकॉज कहानी वो इंसिडेंट रिक्रिएट करने के लिए वी नीडेड अ लॉट ऑफ यू नो आई विटनेस अकाउंट्स. क्योंकि सिर्फ पिच पे जो हो रहा है वो उससे कहानी नहीं बनती है. आसपास क्या हो रहा है, लोग कैसे रिएक्ट कर रहे थे. तो हाँ, द जेंटलमैन जिनकी गाड़ी का शीशा कपिल सर ने तोड़ा था, ही रिमेंबर्ड इट वेरी वेल.
पैसे तो नहीं मांगे ना. पता चले मेरे खाते में अभी भी श्रीकांत ने लिखे हुए हैं कि 2 tickets to America you have to give me. I said okay.
Srikanth was going for honeymoon
Yes.
to America. Till the team changed all his plans.
Seven of them were going to America.
7 टिकट आपको भरना पड़ा.
नहीं, और किसी ने बताया नहीं क्योंकि श्रीकांत अपनी वाइफ को लेके जा रहा था. स्टोरी इसीलिए खुली कि उसके बाद ओवरहट क्या हो रहा है यार. And मजाक में
So
मैंने
did you eventually pay for their honeymoon?
No, I will never. He will remember rest of his life. How can he have such a thought process? और उससे ज़्यादा ये देखो कि मेरे को नहीं पूछा कि तुम चलोगे कि नहीं अमेरिका.
But बताइए कबीर जी, like when you went to Tunbridge Wells, you obviously went in as a filmmaker.
जी.
But the moment you see, you know, history, that ground, memories, possibly you become a cricket lover rather than a filmmaker, isn't it?
It is, but I have to constantly keep reminding myself that I have to keep, you know, not become a fanboy, but keep my eye on the story. So, especially for Tunbridge Wells, because that was the most challenging part for me, right? Because I have no reference. There are a few photographs available, but no video footage. Nobody ever recorded it. Yet it's legend, right? Everybody talks about Tunbridge Wells even today and sort of gets stars in their eyes. So to recreate that, it's one of the most significant chapters of the film, because I believe in the story that I'm telling. It became the turning point. Like as you said, everybody was booked to go to America, but after that day, they all said, no, this man means business. And they all quietly cancelled their tickets and said, okay, now we are here to go to the final limits. So Tunbridge का recreation के लिए वहाँ जाके लोगों से मिलना, उनसे सारे blow by blow account लेना, उसमें बहुत मज़ा आया. और वहाँ पे ही हमने शूट किया है, which is another great aspect of the film, कि Tunbridge Wells एक ऐसा मैच है जो कि पूरा का पूरा मैच हमने Tunbridge में ही शूट किया है, because it's one of the few places that has not changed. वैसी की वैसी है.
Do you know that subsequently later on, Paji's daughter had gone there with her friends while she was studying in Scotland, and the moment they came to know it's Kapil Dev's daughter, they refused to charge her. Am I right, Paji?
Yeah, the bar people didn't take money. They said whatever you want to take, you can have a drink on us.
No, in fact, when Kapil sir came back for the shooting also, they were so overjoyed. तो अभी आपने देखा होगा Tunbridge Wells में वो पूरा plant लगा हुआ है. So it's going to become I think a permanent fixture on the Indian tourists circuit.
You know, he has a friend, Nadia Comaneci, and Nadia Comaneci still says there have been so many perfect tens later on, but people still remember that particular day in Montreal when she had won it for the first time. So similarly, India had won T20 World Cup subsequently, then 50 overs World Cup, but अभी भी हम 83 के बारे में ही सोच रहे. So why do you think, where is that magic?
I think the magic is in the fact that nobody ever thought in their wildest dreams India will do it in 1983. You know, 66-1 odds थे. David Frith ने तो आर्टिकल लिखा था विजडम क्रिकेट जर्नल ने कि अगर
I will eat the paper.
India wins the World Cup, I shall eat the paper. This article is printed on. So I think that was how they entered. 7 लोगों ने तो सेमी ग्रुप मैचेस के एंड पे अपनी टिकट बुक कर रखी थी. उनको खुद यकीन नहीं था कि वो कभी ग्रुप मैचेस से आगे जा सकते हैं. So that is why it's a great story. That's why it's a sports film is always a great underdog story, and this is the most classic underdog story when nobody except this one man who when he first said कि we will win, the rest of the team used to snicker इनसे पागल हो गया. Chika तो actually said अरे हमारा कैप्टन तो idiot है. He says it till date when he stands up. That is what they said. So I mean that's the classic underdog story, and that's why no win from now will ever be able to replicate it, because once you're a favorite, I mean I'm not taking away from any of the subsequent wins, but when you go in as superstars and win, it's not a story, right? If France won the World Cup in football, it's not a story. Had Croatia won it, that would have been the story. So that's what 83 is for us.
Paji, there have been so many magical feats आपने जो किया, winning India the Melbourne Test match, hitting 4 sixes in Lords, 86 series victory, but somehow everything pales into insignificance the moment 83 comes in. How do you feel about it?
I think that is where with your victory, the entire country smile and laugh and feel proud about that, and that is called victory. We win a lot before and after that also, but I think that's where the entire world, Indian people, to me world is India, have moved, and they enjoyed. The people who never heard the name of cricket, they come to know. And as a sportsman, I think this is the biggest thing we can give back and make our game more popular. And on top of that, cherry on the cake is he and his team, Kabir's team, made a movie after 39 years. It's a wonderful.
And apparently Romy and Madan Lal's wife left the stadium, and when they were inside the hotel, Viv Richards got out and they were jumping so much that security was called.
I wasn't there. I can't be in 2 places at one given time, but only stories against storyteller. Yes, I think they made a lot of noise.
तो कैसे आपको लगता है, क्योंकि for the new generation, most of them have not seen these players, maybe a Kapil Dev or a Gavaskar, they may not be aware of the entire team. So bringing home a story which was 38 years old, how difficult is it for a filmmaker?
So as a filmmaker, as a storyteller, when you're approaching a story like this, one thing is very important. I cannot get lax thinking this is a true story and it happened and therefore people will give me extra brownie points. For me, suppose somebody has, of course, I mean for somebody not to know that 83 happened, somebody will have to be living in a cave. But I'm saying suppose somebody crawled out of a cave and came out into this world on the 24th of December and said, let me see this film. He or she should be able to enjoy the film without knowing that it's a true story. Because ultimately they should see this story of this fantastic story of an underdog team that went on to achieve greatness. Now, of course, when they get to know these are real characters and this really happened, obviously the enjoyment will be much more. But for a storyteller, I cannot become lax because it's a true story. It has to stand on its own 2 feet as a story, even if it's the work of fiction. But of course, everybody knows 83 happened, and I am going to get those extra brownie points, and people are going to enjoy it that much more.
So people may have people watched Lagan and they were all in praise for the movie. So this is the real Lagan, is it, according to you?
I wouldn't want to compare, ourselves. I think 83 is 83. I think after 83, any film on sports, I think will try to, and I'm not saying it because I made the film, but because of the story that was created 38 years ago, will try to match up to that story. It's unbelievable. I can easily say it's a true story, but it's the best story I've heard in my life. And I hear a lot of stories because that's my job. But when I heard the story for the first time or read the story for the first time, I had a lump in my throat and I didn't know why. I remember reading it first and then I went back and I read it again. Again I got a lump in my throat, and at that day I realized I have to tell this story.
Wajib, you had some wonderful players in your team, some brilliant players, some not so disciplined players. If you had Ranveer Singh in your team, where did you put him? Alongside a Ravi Shastri, alongside a Gavaskar, kaisa work ethic, attitude, kaisa?
I think it's very difficult to say like what. He has his own space, every cricketer come out, discipline, you don't have to make a noise, somebody can be very disciplined. Like I always say, Sunil Gavaskar was first professional, I would say, that he never used to go to the nightclub because the people are smoking there. And he said, tomorrow I have to bat, it will affect my batting. So those type of thing. And some of my other teammates, a whole night they will have a fun and come in the morning like nothing happened. But end of the day, it's very difficult to say who he can be or close to that. It's very difficult because every person comes with his own character, and Ranveer is a character without any doubt, and I think he can explain much better than I can explain. I can't explain him because I feel, is he always like that? Is he born like that? He meet you after a month and a half, he want to kiss you so hard you don't know what to do. I mean, that's him. You know, I like. In my life, I always respect the character. Mm-hmm. You know, I went to my daughter's school. I said, look, I don't want to know how many marks she's taken and what she did. Will she come out from the school, will have a character? I said, that's what I look for. Not look for 98%, 99, 97, no. I said, I want to see the character building should be in the school. And like Ranveer has a character, and you can talk about him day in, day out.
But 7 दिन आपके साथ था. Can you share one or two experience at your home?
10 दिन.
10 दिन. Okay, 10 दिन.
उसका सिर्फ थॉट प्रोसेस एक ही चेंज किया कि हम 8 बजे खाना खाते थे, उसके लिए हमने बोल दिया कि सिर्फ हम 9 बजे तक इंतज़ार कर सकते हैं. And we eat together. In our family, if I'm 10 minutes late on the dining table, my daughter will call. Dad, it's 8 o'clock. We are eating. So I think these filmy people haven't learned something what we heard the story, not learn that they have to be so disciplined. And Ranveer was so disciplined, and everybody heard about the film industry. A shoot is 10 o'clock, they reach at 3 in the afternoon, heard the story. But I thought this boy was absolutely there all the time, and that's why these younger a lot in film industry becoming more professional, and they are doing much more sincere work. They are heroes. With a hero, with a discipline, I think hats off to them.
If I were to actually answer your question, that who I would place Ranveer, anybody, because Ranveer, I've often said this, is a chameleon. You tell him this is the character you have to inhabit, and he will become that character. So right now he's Kapil Dev, but if I told him any character, he would go through the process and become that character.
I mean, can you imagine Ranveer sitting in the 83 dressing room? Supposing he was a cricketer, he would have helped you, dressing room spirit?
Oh, no way. To control Ranveer Singh, I think I had so many cricketers like that who all the time in the dressing room want to laugh, and sometime then we realize that the people like Shrikant, you know, he makes so much nuisance value in the dressing room, but he won't releasing his tension. There are people, some of the batsmen we come to know, they want to talk to you when you're bowling, or talk to the umpire, talk to the wicket keeper, because they feel, you know, not to think too much. Let this time pass by. And I think Ranveer would have been very difficult to handle in the dressing room. I don't know, but yes, I don't know how he behaved in the movie, but in the team, I feel was to be difficult. You have to come to his level. Coming his level, you need 1,000 times more energy to be on his level.
Tell me something you have dealt with. You had dealt with two superstars, Salman Khan and also Ranveer in this movie, and here's Mr. Kapil Dev. What are the similarities between the three superstars?
I think the similarity between anybody who sort of achieves something hugely in life, in whatever field of in whatever job they're doing or whatever their profession is, there is a certain sense of focus, and there is a certain sense of applying yourself
you can
to
say
that job.
Madness.
Yeah.
I mean, you can say
it's
that.
madness stroke
In
passion.
Bengali we say Paglavi.
Paglan.
That's important. I think that has to be there,
Yeah.
because otherwise you'll never be able to excel. It's the madness that pushes you beyond the boundary.
And dissimilarities?
That I can write a book on. So yeah, very.
I like to read that book. I'm not a great person who like to read the book, but something like this I like to. It's a good thought.
Paji, they say in movie industry, now that you're very closely involved with this movie, they say that you have butterflies in your stomach if you're a producer or an actor every Friday कि मूवी रिलीज हो रहा है. आपका कुछ टेंशन हो रहा है?
मेरा टेंशन बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. My daughter said, why can't you react, Dad, when you saw the trailer? And she was expecting me to react, and I was like a dead fish. I didn't react at all, and I'm worried. The story coming on us, and what will people will, how it will come out. People will like it, what it will go. Anybody can say. So far, everybody talking. It's going to the biggest movie in the Indian film industry. But I'm crossing my finger because I'm a little unsure. As I don't know, they used to think on Friday. I'm thinking the same way. Like my test match is on Friday, the 24th.
So Kapil Dev, the cricketer, could take a bottle of champagne on the day of the final, expecting his team to win. But Kapil Dev, real Kapil Dev, when he's coming on celluloid, is tensed.
Yeah, I mean concern. I said tense part is not there. The right word is concern. You're concerned because we are taking, definitely taking hope of millions and billions of people. And can we fulfill their passion, what they have? Can we do the justice? That's where you are concerned. I'm not concerned playing cricket. I enjoy it. Do not bother about winning or losing. Be a part of that movement and have a passion. But yes, here when you're carrying the hopes of millions and billions of people, I think you're concerned about that.
Paji, two more questions before we let you go and him. Viv Richards told me in the last interview that every time I come to India, even if I don't see Delhi, Bombay or Taj Mahal, I only see that catch. Every time they show that catch. Wherever, which hotel, wherever I am, they bring that catch. 83 catch. आपको कभी बोला catch के बारे में?
मेरे को क्या बोलना? That's the only place you got to stand. You could have stand somewhere else. No, I think we don't talk. We all know what a wonderful cricketer he was. One of the best all-time great cricketer, my hero too. And we talk, we laugh about that. But it's good to meet people like Viv or any that famous, because their madness is there and they come out with something you don't even realize that in their thought process is something like that.
I mean, you met Viv, Lloyd so many times. You keep on meeting them. कभी 83 का बात कभी होता है फाइनल के बाद?
देखो, one thing you should understand. If I talk to him about 83, I'll bring him down. They are heroes. And if they talk something and say, I can talk about West Indies day in, day out to them, your team is fantastic, you've done so much. I wouldn't like to talk about ourselves, what we did there, and to them whom we won.
Now, one question to you, for this is from a budding cricketer playing in a final as tensed as maybe the World Cup, or may not be as tense, but 119, 121. The opponent team's best player hits a shot, you take that catch. How do you explain the grammar of taking that catch?
No, you don't have to think about that. Go to the practice, go to the drawing board, keep on practicing those catches. One day you will take it. It's not you have to imagine, you have to practice that. And practice make a man perfect. And that's what a young cricketer should do. Not to keep looking at the way I took a catch. Go, you take 100 catches every day. One day it will come to you, it will look easy to you.
And finally, Paji, the temperature in Delhi, I think is 6 or 7. But the temperature in Indian cricket world, it's very warm now. Very volatile, very warm. What do you have to say about this?
Good. As long as warm is good. Warm is not bad. I understand. I don't understand your question, what you are going, where you're going, taking me there. But I think it's a talk about cricket. It's a beautiful, wonderful, and that's it. And the world cricket is growing so much, so fast.
No, I'm only talking about Indian cricket.
I don't know.
Captaincy change.
I don't know. I don't talk about cricket because the day you call me, say especially I want to take interview, I will charge 1 crore of rupees, I will answer that.
In Bengali we say, off stump per bairer ball chhede dawa.
No, you can hit 4 also. So every time you don't have to leave like Sunil Gavaskar. Sometimes you become a Virender Sehwag and hit over the point, over the cover. It's okay. But I think it's not for us to talk about that. It's unfair. Whatever the cricket board is doing, they've done so good for Indian cricket. And to every captain, we want to say good luck. It's a country you should be proud about. They're given you a captaincy.
जस्ट वन क्वेश्चन टू, आपका जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है 83 का, उसमें क्या क्या होता है?
उसके लिए 10 करोड़ लेंगे
And पूरी टीम में बांट देंगे.
Thank you, Paji. And before we conclude, once again, thank you to you and your team. Very, very best of luck for the movie. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you.